True Jamaican Vibes Fire Reid. I'm in St. Elizabeth a day after the hurricane passes Jamaica. I'm in St. Elizabeth in the Watchwell area, which could take you all to Newcombe Valley. Yeah man, Newcombe Valley, Lewistown, Cheddar Beach area. Yeah man, so take a tour with your tour guide Fire Reid. This is where you would see this community after the storm passes, after the hurricane passes Jamaica. I always make a mistake with the hurricane and the storm, but you don't understand how I go on. Yeah man, so enjoy the tour of Fire Reid and big up on yourself anywhere you know watch from. Yard and abroad, you can big up on yourself. Yeah man, first time I couldn't see them house up on the hill, you know. Way up on the hill in front of you, you couldn't see them house there. After the storm blow, after the hurricane blow, you can see certain place. So yeah man, remember to like up the video free of cost and share it also. Boss say I clean out the road, you know. Manners are respect, you know. I have to give thanks and praise. And make them so go on, you know. And everybody have to clean out the place and give a helping hand, you know. So it's when anytime a hurricane or a storm blow and I travel the road, you can't want a machete or one saw. Sometimes it's not going to reach to one place, so you have to chop out it. Chop out the bush to get to the destination. Everybody not going to chop out no bush some of the time, you know. Some people leave it as it is and wait for the government to clean the road. So times like these, you travel with a machete now the car. Machete, pickaxe, anything one can travel with. Saw, you just travel with something. You can clean the road. Yeah man, so them places are the countryside in Jamaica. Yeah man. Come like a shop top, they blow off. Blow off. So a house up on the hill, so like it top gone. Yeah man, people are feel it, you know. No, everybody are feel it. Everybody are feel it. Look at the people, look there, light pole tear down in the road. Yo, look at that. JPS people have to worry about, you know. I have a lot of pole for change. I know say the wire not so bad. But you see the pole them, you have to change them. Bossy, clean up your yard, you see it? Clean up your place here, bossy. The ackee when we sip on the dirt. A lot of ackee. Indicate where you're going to some farm of corn or some place, just indicate and blow your hand. Watch ya. Watch ya. Where this be, man? Wow. If you can go through with people, when they come like you cut out for you, so. Watch there. All of this a shop top a come off, you know. All of this a shop top a blow off. Remember that tambourine chair? You have to pick road, you know. You have to pick road and drive with other people. Oh, me telling you, I go on. Them side, man. Them side I get it beaten. down at them places. Wow. So welcome to Newcombe Valley, my people, my people, my people. Thanks for watching the channel True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid.